So think about it. You're on the street, minding your business. Some guy walks up to you, says, give me all your money, and boom, drops a weapon just like that and starts firing. Maybe he's going active. Maybe he walks into an environment right in front of you, boom, takes out that AK and starts going active. Would you be able to defend yourself? You know, what are the things you want to try and do in a situation like that to survive the crucial first second or two before bullets start flying? You've got to get into motion, you've got to get into movement, you've got to get your weapon, and you've got to get rounds on target. You know, these are the reasons that we train so much. The sub-second draw, a lot of people make fun of it, but it is still a skill. In a situation like this, that type of skill could come in handy. So as protectors, we've got to be formidable. You got to remember, your draw is very important. That those first few rounds are your most important few rounds. But even more than that, you know, even more than the draw, movement. Movement is life. Something like that starts happening, boom, get into movement and get your weapon out and get rounds on target. Nowadays, you guys know that there's active killer scenarios unfolding all around us constantly. So make sure you're training to be formidable. Our goal at the Protector Nation is to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Come train with us at the links below. Compete with us at the Protector Games. Let's grow and get better together. Out.